Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Mazda remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case to gain access to the battery. So first thing what we need to do is get a large flat-headed screwdriver like this one, and just at the bottom of the key fob case there is an indentation where you can put the blade of the screwdriver in and give it a twist like so, which releases the two halves of the case, and there is your key fob battery. We just get a slightly smaller screwdriver and we just prise it from its housing like that. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2025 like this one. We just simply pop the battery back into the housing. On this particular one we make sure that the writing is facing upwards so we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time to pop it back together. So we get the other half of the case and we just simply pop it in, make sure everything clicks, and there you go. It's all done.